Are following a bombshell report this morning claiming that the U.S. Supreme Court plans to overturn Roe v. Wade, potentially opening the door for states to make abortion illegal. Eyewitness News reporter Ross DiMattei joining us live now with more on this developing story. Ross, what can you tell us? Good morning.
Good morning to you, Janelle. If this opinion is allowed to stand as it is written, it would end the federally protected abortion rights that women have been afforded now for nearly 50 years, and it would allow individual states to decide whether to restrict or ban abortion. This was the scene early this morning and still going on. Hundreds of protesters gathered outside of the Supreme Court within an hour of this draft document going public. Politico was the first to obtain what is reportedly a draft of a U.S. Supreme Court opinion that suggests the justices are poised to overturn Roe v. Wade this term. This first draft was reportedly written by Justice Samuel Alito back in February, and a person familiar with the court's deliberations told Politico it has the support of at least 4 other Republican-appointed justices: Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett. The 3 Democratic-appointed justices, Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan, are working on 1 or more dissents. That's according to the same person. It's unclear right now how Chief Justice John Roberts will vote on this ruling. The Supreme Court majority draft opinion does not hold back in its disapproval of Roe v. Wade, arguing the landmark decision was, quote, egregiously wrong from the start and that it must be overruled. Now, nothing is final yet, but demonstrators on both sides are already taking to the streets.
You are not going to change and roll back the time, 50 years to where, women have to ask for permission to make decisions regarding our own bodies. We're not doing that.
It really is a historic moment, particularly for the folks, the grassroots pro-life organizers who have been fighting for life for decades now, really since Roe v. Wade.
And another interesting angle here, a Supreme Court draft decision has never been leaked to the public while a case is still pending. It raises questions about how the court will now respond, specifically Chief Justice John Roberts. Sources telling CBS News that he is likely to order a full-blown investigation involving the FBI to determine the source of the leak. Now, we must note it is always possible that justices can change their mind on these decisions. It has happened in the past. Now, regardless of that, Governors Tom Wolf and Phil Murphy have already said that abortion rights for women will remain as is going forward in both New Jersey and Pennsylvania. The decision like this won't be finalized until it is published. That could happen in the next couple of months. Reporting live in Philadelphia, Ross DiMattei, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Ross.